people, and welcome to my channel. This is Kayla's Tresses, and today I am going to be doing a simple wash and go, very minimal, and a deep conditioner. So as you can see, my hair is very dry, tangled, brittle, stiff. It needs a lot of love, moisture. I'm in dire need of a good washing and a deep condition. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here today. For the past 2 weeks, I've been just putting my hair up in a bun, literally a dry bun, and I had braids a little bit before that. So I do need to do quite a bit to my hair. So I'm only going to be using 3 products: my shampoo, my deep conditioner, and a leave-in. So for my shampoo, I am using the Argan Oil Moisture and Shine Sulfate-Free Shampoo by Creme with Nature. And for my deep conditioner, I am using Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Conditioner. It smells amazing. So I am obviously going to start by drenching my hair and getting it soaking wet. I do have medium porosity hair, so it does not take that long for my hair to get wet, but it kind of does, more so at the top of my head. So just making sure it's getting really wet so I can go ahead and apply this shampoo and get my hair washed. So I did use about 3 giant globs of this shampoo, and I am starting on the top of my head and working it all through my scalp. I like to give myself a good 5-minute massage to my scalp with this shampoo. It does lather up very nicely. It makes my hair feel very soft. However, I do not detangle with the shampoo in my hair. I'm going to wait for the deep conditioner for that. And as you can see, I'm not taking my hair and throwing it all over my head. That is the incorrect way to wash your hair. And once I feel like I have gotten the shampoo all throughout my scalp, I start working it towards my ends. And now I am just rinsing all of that shampoo out and making sure that all the suds are gone before I start doing my deep condition. As you can see, all the suds are gone. Alright, so now time for the deep condition. This is actually my first time using this kind of deep conditioner. Normally make a homemade deep conditioner, but I heard good things about this product, so thought I'd give it a try. I am starting again with the scalp and the top of my head, getting it all into my roots first before I start working to my ends. And I will say that this conditioner is feeling very nicely on my hair. I am sectioning my hair into 4 parts, and this is just to guarantee that I am getting this deep condition all throughout my hair. It needs it. It's going to soak it up. So I'm just going to work the deep conditioner and detangle it on each part. I'm even separating the main part into little parts to make sure that I get that deep condition inside there too. This is my easy detangler brush. So if you guys have not invested in this brush, it's actually very, very cheap, only $7 where I got it from. And guys, this brush here is magical. It is better than any paddle brush, Denman brush, wide tooth comb. It tops all of that. I cut down my detangling time probably in half with this brush. And I do have very thick hair, so this works perfectly for me. I am finally working on my last section. I'm going to detangle that, and then I'm going to go ahead and just start brushing all of my hair, making sure I get all the last few kinks, knots, curls, whatever, just getting it all nice and silky smooth with this deep conditioner. I'm even running my fingers through it just to make sure, again, that it is all through my hair. So now I'm going to twist it up into 2 parts. And this is just so that I can apply my little homemade shower cap to lock in the heat and let that deep condition sit. So here I'm using a bag, okay? So I did not have a shower cap on hand, so this will work. I'm going to tie it up in the back and make sure that my hair is locked in. And then I'm going to apply a shirt on top for an extra layer of added heat, and to also make sure that it is tightly packed in there and give myself some time to open up the pores of my head and get that deep condition started for 10 minutes. Alright, so 10 minutes has passed, and I'm now going to take down my homemade shower cap and shirt and see how it feels and go ahead and rinse it out. So as I'm taking out my little twist, I'm noticing that my hair is already feeling a whole lot better, looks a whole lot better, feels a whole lot better, just absolutely soaking in all that deep conditioner. I wish that I could have left the conditioner in, but as you know, it is not good to leave deep conditioner in your hair for a long time. But honey, look at those juicy curls though. So after I rinsed out that deep conditioner, I went ahead and applied this leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture, Strengthen and Restore Leave-In. And OMG, the results of just using this leave-in conditioner and water in my easy detangler brush gave me such great definition and moisture and softness that I am happy. Obviously, if I was using styling products and oil, that would reduce the frizz, but I love what just this one product did. Thank you guys for tuning in, and please comment below your thoughts and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Kayla's Tresses for the next video. See you later, beautiful people.